Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about our favorite things, and I'm going to cover the best color ever, new for 2019. It is the It Color, Ann. New York Times has announced it, CNN, Fox News, People Magazine. It is Living Coral. I'll put the Pantone color right here, but this is the color for 2019. So if you don't have any Living Coral yet, you need to go out and get some for spring.
Go get you some, girls.
Go get you some. So here, I got this little shirt here. You can see the scrunches here. I'll put up a photo here so you can see how it looks on the side, but it's very cute and scrunchy in the Living Coral. These are matching earrings that I think look fabulous with it. You can grab those from Walmart.
And the sparkle on it, I don't know if you can see it in here.
Right?
It's really gorgeous.
I know, I love it. And for the lip color here, these two are perfect for Living Coral. So this is the first one. It is called Catty Cat Gloss, and the color is actually Tabby Tease, as you can see, but it's perfect for Living Coral. And then this is a matte melting pout.
It's called Celebrate.
Celebrate.
I think you need to put some on.
I want to celebrate. Do you want to celebrate?
Celebrate, celebrate. I feel like these earrings and that lip gloss.
Oh, thank you, my friend. So, and the nail color is obviously incredibly important for vacays, for work, for out to dinner. It's essential.
It's beautiful.
It ties it all together. And what I would recommend is Opie, and this is actually called Aloha, and it goes perfectly with the whole ensemble.
Love it.
I love it. And last but not least, I think it's important to be able to write down all of your hopes and dreams. So, I love these cute little notebooks. You can actually get them at Target. They're very cute, and they match perfectly with the Living Coral.
It looks so good.
I know, it's great. And my friend, this is my gift to you.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
That's so sweet of you.
Well, I think you need a little splash of Living Coral in your life.
Right? And I need some goals for 2019.
Yes, we all do.
Right.
So that's my favorite things. So fun. Living Coral, go out and get you some.
Okay, friends, so I'm so excited to be telling you about my favorite things, what I'm currently using right now.
I can't wait.
Okay, here we go. So I use what's called a neck wrap. It is a weighted, full of kind of like seeds or beads, but you can heat it up into the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and it gets so warm and so nice, and you just put it around your neck like this. Maybe I should move my hair.
That's great.
Yeah. You just go like this, and it's great after a long day, or if you've been working out, or you're cold even.
It just helps with the muscles.
It does. It's really relaxing. So, yes. And then my next favorite thing is my eye mask. I love this because at night you will not get any light in. So I feel like it's better sleep that I get at night. And then if I'm ever traveling, you always got that neighbor, you know, that never turns off their light and they're reading. So this is great because it blacks everything out, or if you want to take a nap during the day.
And it's super cute.
It's really cute, right?
I love it.
My next favorite product is an oil spray by Giovanni. It's a natural hair care product. And I love to do it right after I get out of the shower. My hair is still wet, and then I can blow dry it, and I do my flat iron or whatever, but it protects my hair. I tend to be kind of dry, and it gives me shine and protection, and I love this thing. And some good smell too. And then my next favorite thing is this really amazing dry shampoo spray. And it's great because honestly, girls, I do not wash my hair every day.
You ain't got no time for that.
Right?
No.
Ain't nobody got time for that. So this is great because I'll just kind of do it in different layers, and it just sucks up the oil, and it kind of gives you a fresh smell. And
nice.
it's like you shampooed in a spray bottle.
I love it.
It's pretty great. And then my last but not least, one of my favorite things is the Burt's Bees Lip Balm.
Ooh, nice.
It's very moisturizing, and this particular one is called Pomegranate, and I love it because it's got a little bit of color to it. And it's very smoothing and very moisturizing in this weather, and it gives me a little bit of color.
It's nice.
So there you go, gals.
All
Go get you
natural,
some.
right?
Natural. Yes, that's why I love Burt's. I love mostly natural products, so
Yeah.
that's my go-to. So
I love it.
yes, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for sharing that,
Yes.
friends. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed just hearing a little bit about our favorite things. And if this was helpful to you, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and come on back.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. I don't know what else to say.